Chamber President, Dr. Erick Ruto, the newly elected Vice Chamber President, Mustafa, newly elected directors, national directors, chairs and vice chairs. I take this opportunity to thank all of you for the support you accorded me in the last 4 years. I have decided to remain behind so that I can give my commitment to support the new team. As the World Chamber Federation Council member, I will definitely work hand in hand with the new chamber president. I want to thank our chairman, trustee, and our patron member, Kiprono Kitoni, for the support he has accorded me and the guidance. And I thank Mr. Ngatia for having that commitment to work and safeguard the interests of this organization. Finally, I wish you all the best. And I believe the manifesto that was shared with you by the new team shall be implemented. And where you need us, we are there to support you. God bless Kenya. God bless the chamber. Thank you.